Hello and welcome back to a new video. In our previous video, we introduced the concept of family language policies and we explored how language decisions are shaped within the home. In this video, we will focus on one of the central components of family language policies, which are language beliefs and language ideologies. We will look at how families perceive languages, how these perceptions are influenced by wider social forces, and how they directly impact language use and language transmission. Let's first begin with a definition. Language ideology refers to a set of beliefs and assumptions that people hold about languages and about language use. These ideologies shape how languages are evaluated, whether as useful, prestigious, correct, or inferior. In families, language ideologies influence which language is prioritized, which is correct, and which is allowed to fade. Often, beliefs about languages are not explicitly stated, but they are evident in how language is used and discussed within the family domain. Language ideologies are shaped by many external and internal factors. Societal attitudes, educational policies, and media representation, they all contribute to how families value different languages. For example, immigrant parents might perceive the host country's language as necessary for success, while the heritage language may be seen as less useful. On the other hand, the heritage language may carry emotional and cultural significance, creating tension between practicality and identity. In multilingual families, language ideologies can lead to complex dynamics. Parents may wish to maintain a heritage language while also ensuring that their children succeed in a dominant language society. These goals can sometimes conflict. Moreover, ideologies may differ between parents or between parents and children, resulting therefore in negotiated and contested language practices. Understanding this ideological landscape is essential for grasping the decisions made at home about languages. Research within the domain of family language policies and specifically on language beliefs and ideologies shows that parents often associate the heritage language with emotion, tradition, and identity, while the dominant language is often linked to academic or economic success. These ideologies shape decisions about language instruction at home, which language should be used to help the children with their homework, for example, or to read them a book. Children, in turn, may resist heritage language use if they feel that this language is setting them apart at school and in general in the society. These examples illustrate how ideology is not just abstract, it is very much lived and negotiated on a daily basis. An important step in managing family language policies is recognizing and reflecting on one's own language ideologies. Becoming aware of these beliefs can help families make more intentional and inclusive decisions. It also allows for greater flexibility and sensitivities when language practices begin to shift, especially as children grow older and family context is changing. In this video, we have looked at language ideologies and language beliefs within the domain of family language policies. In the coming videos, we will look at the other key components of family language policies. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for more.